Hi friends, good evening. As all of you know that we are basically a film school under the banner called Craft running for 14 years. 3 years back we started another vertical called JET Entrance Exam Coaching, which is meant for FTI and SRFTI, as all of you knows. We had a classroom coaching program. We had a book on MCQ section, which is 22 marks on cinema, art, culture, dance, and painting. Now the book has been transferred on the online so that we can keep adding every month another few other important questions as and when we are ready with them. Since we had the classroom coaching program for FTI entrance exam, I realized that many of you are stuck in COVID and lockdown. So we thought, for the benefit of those who are not able to come over here, let's begin with the short-term 1 week program. So we are organizing a 5 days online classes on a platform called Zoom. It will be from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the evening. It will not be pre-recorded lecture. It will be live interaction with the student. So to begin with, first we had the MCQ section, which is starting from 10th to 15th of July. 1 hour, 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, in which we will discuss new questions which we have added on our website and certain other questions which are important from the FTI entrance exam. After that, we will have a 5 days of a classes on direction starting from 16th of July to 20th of July. The next slot is for acting starting from 21st to 25th of July. And then in the end, we have a cinematography starting from 26th to 30th of July. Each 5 days classes of 1 hour would cost 250 rupees in total. So if you are planning MCQ plus acting, then it will cost you 500. If you're planning MCQ plus acting plus direction, then it will cost you 750 rupees. You need to pay through Google Pay or any UPI, maybe Paytm or Phone Pay. It depends upon your convenience. And you need to take a screenshot of that and send to me via WhatsApp on my number, which is being given over there in the below description section. And there is a Google form also which you need to fill up so that we know the data in terms of your name, email, mobile number, and which course you are interested in. As I said, that these classes would be conducted by me, and we would be now question is what we would be discussing in these classes. So as I said, for the MCQ, I have already told you, for the domain specific 70 marks, we will be taking up questions which were previously asked in the entrance exam of FTI, almost 50% of the time, and 50% of the time we will be discussing some new expected questions, which could be asked in the entrance exam for JET 2022, which is hopefully should happen anytime after February 2022, maybe in June, July, August. It's not sure because there's a situation of COVID is not clear as yet, but certainly not before February 22, as I also said in previously. So let's make this best of this time and hope to see you on the Zoom platform, and looking forward to see you over there. If you have any query, you can email me. My email address is mentioned below over there in the description section. Thank you very much and have a nice day.